walang affair. Okay, walang affair na nangyari. I did not cheat on Luke. And Zach, he didn't cheat on you with me. Okay? Yung kami ni Zach, when that happened, hindi pa kayo, okay? Nung kami ni Luke, break kami that time. It was such a brief time only, Liv. And then, I decided to stop it kasi na-realize ko na mas mahal ko si Luke. Tapos naging kayo ni Zach. Liv, promise, wala talagang affair.
So ano yun? Ano sinasabi mo? So you let me have him kasi ayaw mo na sa kanya? And all the hand-me-downs sa akin mo binibigay? Ganun ba yun?
Hindi sa ganun, Liv. Hindi talaga.
Eh, bakit di mo sinabi sa akin?
Para saan pa? Liv, aayawan mo si Zach. And I don't want that to happen. Because you like him so much. I want you to be happy, Liv. Yun lang naman yung gusto ko.
We're sorry. The number you have reached...
Pinatawag mo daw ako?
Sugar, I need to ask you something about Abby. Something going on with her.
Sabi mo?
Kanina tinawagan ako ni Tita Marga, okay? She was asking kung kasama ko daw si Amelie. And she sounded really worried. Pero bigla na lang nag-message siya saying na okay na daw, nahanap na pala. But, Sugar, why was she so worried? Saan ba siya napunta?
Hindi ko din alam yun. Ko alam.
Look, Sugar, she's been telling me past few days na pagod daw siya and she's busy kaya she's been avoiding me. But I can tell something is going on.
Hindi ko dapat kayo na ni Iyo mag-usap.
Eh paano? Umiiwas nga siya, Sugar. You have to tell me something. You know something? Who you?
Huwag mo nang paigit na dyan, please. Ayoko madamay sa issue ng dalawa.
I don't even know what our issue is, Sugar. Sugar, please. Ganito din siya nung nag-break kami dati. I don't know, she's getting cold feet. Does she not want me anymore? Sugar, please, you have to tell me.
Look!
I don't even... Mom.
You keep on rejecting my calls. And I had to come here and talk to you.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get a hold of Amelie. I need to talk to her.
About what? About her sex video?
I know what you're saying. Na hindi ako dapat magalit sa'yo. Yun yung sinasabi ng utak ko. Pero kasi hindi ko pa boyfriend si Zach nun, di ba? At hindi kayo nag-cheat sa akin. Pero Amelie, ang sakit. Ang sakit damang-dama ko dito. Damang-dama ko yun. Pit-pit ko yun hanggang ngayon, Amelie. Para kasi pinaglaruan niyo ako. May mga sikreto kayo behind my back. Tapos, alam mo, iniisip ko minsan yung mga instances na kunwari civil lang kayo. Tapos, nag-uusap na kayo because of me. Yung pala may history kayo. Ginawa niyo akong tanga.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry talaga. Please, I'm sorry. Hindi yun yung intention ko, Liv. Please, I don't want to lose you over this, Liv. Please, I'm sorry.
Hindi ko alam, Mami. Kasi alam mo, kung ginawa ko to sa'yo, ano mararamdaman mo? Sabi mo nga sa akin, ano mararamdaman ko kung niloko kita? Kung pinagmukha kita tanga, ano mararamdaman mo? Di ba mahal na mahal mo si Luke? What if lang naman? What if naging kami bago naging kayo? And we kept it a secret, tinago namin sa inyo. Ano mararamdaman mo? Ano mararamdaman mo? Ano mapipil mo? Mapapatawa yung ba agad ako? Hindi, di ba? Ginawa niyo ang tanga. Ikaw sa lahat ng tao, ikaw pa na kapatid ko. Ginawa mo to sa akin.
I'm sorry talaga, Liv. Hindi ko intensyon yun. I'm sorry. Please. Liv. Liv, wait lang. Wait na, Liv. Please, please. Liv, sorry.
Ma'am, saan niyo nakuha yan? Nag-report na po kami. Dapat wala na yan sa internet. Ngayon mo lang ba yan nakita?
You knew about this?
Look, sorry.
Ito ba yung tinatago niyo sa bistro?
Sorry, kasi naisip ko dapat kay A mo malaman, di ba?
Where are you going? Hindi pa tayo tapos.
Yana,
Uy, Hector.
si Emily.
Nakaalis na eh.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam kung ano na pag-usapan nila ni Liv, pero andun pa rin si Liv sa kwarto, umiiyak.
Leona, maayos pa ba to? Alam mo, sa totoo lang, hindi ko na alam gagawin ko.
Sige, maupo ka muna.
Hi. I brought you your favorite comfort food. I have some boba tea for you and some Dubai chocolates. It's a little bit pricey, pero anything for you. Sinabi ni Tita Leona na magkausap daw kayo ni Liv kanina. What happened? Hindi pa rin ba kayo okay?
I don't think she can forgive me.
Sinabi mo naman sa kanila na hindi pa naman sila ni Zach noon? Bakit hindi ka pa rin niya mapatawad? Hindi ba niya nakikita that you have it worse than she does?
Amelie, kanina pa kita hinihintay. Look, your wedding gown is here. Kung saan ka pa pumupunta, di mo tuloy nakita. You should be focusing on your wedding. And you shouldn't be wasting your time on that half-sister of yours.
Bukas ko na lang po titignan, Ma. I'm tired.